Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us two special friends.
Hi, I'm Ayala.
Hi, I'm Amel. I'm a graduate student at Tufts University studying occupational therapy.
Welcome.
Welcome.
So, what are we making today?
We are making scratch art.
And let's, if you have a sample. Great. So they're all a little different.
Yeah. Okay, so before we start our activity, we're going to begin with one of our breathing exercises. So today, since we're going to be painting, we're going to pretend we're holding our paintbrush, and we're going to take a deep breath in and paint up. This we go. And then a deep breath out as we paint down. So we'll do that 2 times together. So get your paintbrush ready and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Actually, I like the idea of holding a paintbrush next.
No.
That was a good idea.
Yeah. Thanks, Peggy. That was very relaxing. And I'm going to tell you what supplies we need today. Crayons, paper, black paint, Q-tip or toothpick. So very short list of supplies.
Okay, so what's the first step, Ayala?
So first you're going to get a piece of paper, pretty sturdy piece of paper, and you're going to color it with the crayons, or in my case, I used the oil pastels. So I have a little more coloring to do, and you're just gonna do whatever you want. Use whatever colors you think would be fun to use.
Okay. So we all have a little bit more coloring to do, right?
Right. And I decided for this one, I'm doing it on a paper plate. So I'm hoping it comes out the same way.
Yeah. And mine is on, I think it's called watercolor paper. So just any kind of fairly sturdy paper.
Right. And what kind of paper did you use, Amel?
I just used a piece of printer paper.
Okay.
Then I have it on top of a brown paper bag in case I paint over it.
Okay.
And I also had some oil pastels, so used those, but you can also just use regular crayons.
Yeah, I'm just using regular crayons, and you can just color it however you want.
Right.
A design or anything you want.
I'm using a lot of fall colors because I'm pretty excited about season we're in. So I'm going in with a lot of reds and yellows and oranges.
Yeah, I liked your other picture. That looked really good.
Thank you.
While everyone is finishing their coloring part, I'm gonna tell you a little joke because I'm finished this part. And it's a joke about crayons because we don't usually use crayons. So what does the operator at a crayon factory say when they answer the phone?
Does the operator at a crayon factory say when they answer the phone?
They say, yellow.
Oh. Wow.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
I could have sworn you were going to say Crayola. Like,
Oh,
Ola, you know.
That would be a good answer as well. And maybe some crayon operators do say that.
Yes.
Okay, so let me say what the next step is. The next step is going to be, you're going to take some black paint and you're going to paint it all over this part. And I didn't even take out a bowl. The way I did it, I just sort of put the paint right onto my paper and paint it over. And it's good to have something under it so you can really get all the sides.
I feel like this activity is really relaxing. Like it was relaxing to color, like you didn't have to worry about any particular design.
Yeah. And you want to do the painting part fairly quickly, because some of us found when you scratch it while it's still pretty wet, it works out best. So,
Here's all the, mine's almost painted.
all right, and so mine is painted.
And then we're gonna get ready to do the scratching. And I used a toothpick, but you can use different things. Like, Ayala, what did you use for when you were doing the scratching?
Yeah, you know, I actually used the back of a colored pencil.
Uh,
And this time I'm going to try using the Q-tips.
Yes, I used a Q-tip, and then I also, for part of it, I broke the Q-tip in half and used the,
Oh,
yes, I used both.
Oh, the stick part, yeah.
Yeah,
fancy, fancy.
Okay, so now for the scratch part, I'm gonna see if I can do this without getting black paint all over my arm. So you're gonna take whatever tool you have and then just like, actually, I'm gonna have to put it down, I think. So I'm gonna start with the circle,
it's so exciting when you see
like the colors come out.
the colors come out. Yeah, like here's mine so far.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm just doing a design and shapes.
Here I did a flower. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh yeah, that looks great, Peggy.
And I know it's like so nice to have all the different colors.
I know, because you kind of don't know what you're gonna get, because you don't really remember where you put what.
exactly.
Yeah, and it works out good on the paper plate.
Oh,
And you
good.
can- I'm gonna just go around the outside.
And it can be as simple or complex as you
Exactly.
want. Like Ayala's first one was quite a major picture, but like this one so far, it's just shapes. that I
Yeah, I'm
love.
doing like flowers, designs.
Nice.
What are you doing, Amel?
I am drawing some flowers.
Ooh,
I actually found that I'm using the back of a coffee stir stick. That's
oh,
it.
that's a good idea too.
Yeah.
Whatever works. And Ayala, how's yours coming out?
Well, like I said, I'm excited about autumn. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'm drawing a
Yes.
little squirrel under a little branch.
That looks great. Wow.
No, it's kind of neat because you can color in the shapes too.
I know.
And
This
do
is,
whatever, anything goes on this one.
yeah.
Wow.
And you know what else I was thinking, that you could, like, if you were doing it on a piece of paper and had it folded like a card, you could use it as a card.
Yes.
Oh, that's really smart.
And one thing that I'm just discovering is, because I'm holding the paper with my hand, is you can also do fingerprints and they come right out too.
Oh,
That
oh,
was unintentional, but looks pretty good. So that's
oh.
another option.
Yeah.
What I'm noticing is that when you move the paint around in different ways, especially if it's still wet, you can really play with like the different textures and patterns that you can make. Like I'm playing with on my squirrel, see how you can kind of
Wow.
make those little scratches.
Yeah.
There's a lot
Really
of
nice.
playing to be done here.
Yeah, I really like this. I want
I
to.
do too. So I think we can all finish ours a little bit later. So why don't we show what we have so far? And you might get some fingerprints in there. These look great. Nice job. Thank you all for joining. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye, have fun.